Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Vmax Design Studio. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to teach you how we can set up daylight for exterior view with simple video settings. So this is our 3D model. I will set up lights and V-Ray render setting on this model. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get new tutorials. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, in top view, I am going to set up V-Ray physical camera from here. I will split the view in two windows so that I can see my camera view and perspective view parallelly. Let me adjust the camera focus. Now I am going to set up a target light. I am not going to use the sun in this tutorial. I am going to use the target direct light. It will also act like our sunlight. Let me adjust the settings of this direct light. Now I will place V-Ray sky. To get the fine environment. I have instanced the V-Ray sky to the material editor. From here I am going to set the parameters of V-Ray sky. Now I will place a V-Ray dome light. I'll use a HDR sky in this dome light. Now let me set our camera settings. Let's check IPR render. So this is very dark scene. Let me adjust the HDR skies. I will adjust the brightness of the HDR sky. Now you can see it's getting brighter. I will replace this HDR sky in Photoshop with another sky because this is not looking good. I will replace it in the Photoshop at the end of the tutorial. Now let's do some render settings. These are very simple render settings to achieve the good result in no time. So you can see on the screen the render settings I am doing. So here you can see the focus of the light is not good. Let me adjust the direct light and angle of the light. It looks good. I think it's okay now. Let's do final render. So our final rendering has been started. So friends, this is our final render. We have achieved with the simple render settings and light settings. Now I will adjust this render in Photoshop. I have saved it in PNG format to get the transparent background so that I can replace the sky. So this is the sky I am going to use. See, I have changed the sky. Now let's adjust some camera raw filters. I am going to apply a photo filter to get some warm tone on my render. So friends, this is our final render we have done in 3ds Max. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you friends and keep practicing.